Welcome to the IxD series Multi-Plus Condiment Dispenser How to Clean video. Push cleaning on the menu screen. Follow these instructions for initial cleaning and each scheduled cleaning cycle. Prior to starting the cleaning process, mix a packet of K5 sanitizer with water that is between 75 and 90 degrees Fahrenheit, following the instructions on the packet. For pouch models, pour 4 liters of sanitizer solution per tube into a container and insert the bottom of each tube into the solution. For direct pour models, pour 4 liters of sanitizer solution per tube into each direct pour vessel. Place each vessel into position and connect the tubes. Above the counter, place an empty container under the dispense point to catch the flush solution. Start the cleaning process and follow the on-screen prompts. The system will auto-advance between cycles and prompt the user to interact with the screen. There is a pause button available to pause cleaning if needed. Once the cleaning process has started, the system will want to fully run the cycle before advancing. If detergent is used, there will be a step to put the tubes into rinse water for pouch models or to put rinse water in the vessels for direct pour models. This is not needed if standard food-safe sanitizer is used. There will also be a step to put the tubes out of the solution for the drying stage. For pouch models, let the tubes hang free. For direct pour models, the vessels will be empty, so just let the system run dry. The unit can clean up to 2 lines per cleaning cycle. Repeat the cycle for additional lines. When cleaning is complete, your Multi-Plus Condiment Dispenser is ready for use. Any questions? Please contact our customer care team.